Hey everyone! Today we are going to be talking about the labs within SOC and how to use the computers. There are Mac labs in rooms 205 and 207, 115 and 117, and PC or personal computers in rooms 206 and 208. These computers are free to use by students and staff to research, look up information, or edit. Here's how to log in.
When you first turn the computer on, you may notice multiple different user icons. Choose the icon entitled Other to log in. Enter your Howard email address for the username. Then use the password you used to log into your email as your password for the computer. A message stating that you are not connected to the Wi-Fi may appear, but that's okay. All the computers do not require Wi-Fi to run as they are connected through Ethernet, so you can exit out of that message. As soon as you log in, this will become your desktop. However, if you want to save any files, your best bet is to use an external hard drive.
Using the same login information that logged you into the computer will be how you access your Creative Cloud account. Make sure to click company/school account. Creative Cloud on the company card, y'all. It's going to prompt the Authenticator app message that we all love. From there, you will be able to access a variety of apps featured on the cloud. This includes Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Audition, Adobe Illustrator, and more. You can also access these apps directly from Launchpad, as you will see us open Premiere Pro directly from the app without having to log into Creative Cloud primarily. Hope this helps you navigate easier throughout the school year. Bye!